Making money online has become an increasingly popular option for many people, especially in recent years. While there are many opportunities out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why I've compiled a list of tips and tricks to help you navigate the world of online earning with confidence. Making money online has never been easier, with a range of opportunities available to people of all ages and backgrounds. From freelance writing to online tutoring, there are many ways to turn your skills and hobbies into a source of income. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks to help you make the most of your online earning potential. Find your niche. The key to making money online is to find a niche that suits your skills and interests. Whether it's graphic design, programming, or writing, identifying your strengths will help you stand out in a crowded market. Build your portfolio. Once you've identified your niche, it's important to build a portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. This can be done through a personal website, social media platforms, or freelance job boards. Network and collaborate. Networking and collaborating with other professionals in your field can help you build your reputation and access new opportunities. Joining online groups and attending virtual conferences are great ways to connect with others in your industry. Be proactive. Making money online requires a proactive approach. This means seeking out new opportunities, taking on challenging projects and constantly improving your skills. Stay organized. Online earning can be unpredictable, which is why it's important to stay organized and keep track of your finances, deadlines, and client communication. This can be done through a range of tools and apps, such as project management software and invoicing platforms. Making money online can be a great way to supplement your income, pursue your passions, and build a career. By following these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful online earner. Remember to stay focused, proactive, and organized, and never be afraid to take on new challenges and opportunities. With the right mindset and approach, online earning can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience.